Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps. Alright, let's begin. First, launch your Snapchat app and the camera will open by default. Press and hold the capture button to record a video for just 1 second. Don't worry, we'll delete this video shortly. Once the video is recorded, a small thumbnail of it will appear in the lower left corner. Tap on the thumbnail of the video you just recorded. On the right side, you will see more options, including a gallery icon. Tap on the gallery icon to open your camera roll. From your camera roll, select the snap you want to send as a normal snap. Once you've selected the snap from your camera roll, it will appear along with the video you just recorded. Tap on the video, the one you recorded at the start, to highlight it. A bin icon will appear. Tap the bin icon. Then confirm by clicking delete. Now only the snap you imported from the camera roll will remain. Preview the snap to ensure everything is correct. Tap the send to button to send the snap as a normal snap from your camera roll. And that's it. So that's basically how you can send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.